Welcome to SpiceCandies. I'm glad to say that although we had a huge delay in our usual programs, so to speak, we have now a new dehydrator, a new solar dehydrator. The old one has collapsed and was heavily damaged by past winter, and although winter is coming along strongly now, I just finished building this basically from scratch. The total cost of build was roughly around $15 or so. So with your permission, I'd like to celebrate this by dehydrating an apple. This is Granny Smith. Let's get started. And I just sliced it and oozed some lemon on it. So we're done. There we go. I'll just lock this up. Well, that's it. It's fully charged. Thanks for watching. Have a sweet day.